Hi, I wanted to tell you about my experience with Pop On Veneers. I had a problem with my teeth, and I work with the public in sales, and it affected my confidence in dealing with people, just knowing that I had that problem, and while I'm waiting to get it fixed, I decided to try the veneers, and it came in a neat little box here, and storage container, and I was pleasantly surprised. They fit better than I would have ever expected, and they are comfortable to wear. I actually forget that I have them in while I'm at work, but it makes a big difference. They just snap in. I opted to get the upper and the lower. And I couldn't be happier. It was a good choice.